Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. We are from class 4. Today we are going to make a flower bouquet.
Hi, speak in English. Make a flower bouquet, both of you together. Hurry up, Asana. What is this flower?
It is curly.
What?
It is curly.
And the flowers you are holding in your hand?
This is marigold and rose.
Very good.
And woman said the jasmine. And this is jasmine.
Jasmine, okay, very good.
Give me that.
Yes. From where you will take extra one, Jasmine? Do you have? No, that is their flower. You use your flower. You use your flower.
You want to take? Yeah.
They will win. Hi.
Can you take this?
Acha, sharing.
Yes,
Sharing is caring. What is that you are making?
It's kind of fast to keep the floor.
Okay.
I forgot one thing
We go and come. Hurry up. Complete. Why you are sitting? Involve her also. Go. Huh? Problem what? Problem of what? Video. Get down, I will go. Very good. And you bring it. Your flower bouquet. This one yours.
Yes.
Both of you. Yours.
Yeah.